The Chinese are amazing with what they do. So yes, this is a cultural event that I attended. But more seriously, I want to talk to you about the writing part. This is what class is like sometimes. You're trying, you're pronouncing your head, but it's different. You're welcome back to this channel where I talk to you about culture, education, and languages. Anywhere where you're looking for where to learn anything in Nigeria, I dare say I'm knowledgeable. You can ask me. So yes, this is class, and we're trying so hard. So this is where it gets more technical, more than learning pinyin, which are like the words and characters like your spelling bug, like BAG, that kind of use like using alphabet to form words, that kind of thing. But you see this interesting part about having characters. So our Laoshi, who is our teacher, says that more than just understanding PE, you have to know these characters, because when you see movies or like you go on the streets of China, usually these characters are represented. I use more than PEs. I am in awe of what China is doing. Like, having worked in the education system for like 5 years now, I just see it like the creativity is, you know, that thing where you say they bust my brain. This is it. So, first off, you see this beautiful brush we are using. How will I tell you it's not ink? It's not ink. It is. See this bowl of water here. The brush is dipped into the water, and then you can write. Then you get to write on the writing palette. So how does this really happen? So you see this back of this writing material where it looks black. Yeah, it's black. Yeah. So what the water does is that it creates an impression on it. And before you're done writing on these two phases of handwriting book on the third lane, it just dries up and then you come back to it. So it's just creative and it gives you room to write and flex all of that. These are my classmates. So aside being French speaking, this is me trying to try another language. At least I'm doing this thing just made me realize that I respect Chinese children a lot. Like, doesn't mean someone does not draw cannot survive this, but no. It's just like writing letter A, B, C, D while growing up. It was tedious. Who even told us we would know how to do it? But we kept at it. We did it over and over and over again. Became experts. So this is class. I'm going around to see what every other person is doing. Like, I've done my part. I'm still trying. I'm still practicing writing. Or I'm practicing the character. Like, they're exciting. You see, it's sweet that all these characters are not written in the same way. Like, you see this thing? It must be followed. It's like doing A. In English, we know that A is stroke. The one that goes towards left first, the one that goes towards right second, then the cross in between. Right? But some people might try to write A like, oh, do the right hand side first, the left, then middle. These guys, you can't skip the process. It must be followed. Which of the strokes convert, and all those little strokes have names. It's not in English stroke, one stroke, two. All of them have names. When I'm in midst of all my friends, we're going to together. We're going to mention what they are to you, so get inspired. So this is me saying, if you're not learning a language, you have any young person in your circle, please get them involved. Sometimes learning a language is not about becoming a translator at the end of the day or working in business and having people to explain what this means or any of those serious. Sometimes it's just the exposure, like it just makes your mind think critically. Like this language now, your mind begins to tell you, so why is this thing like this? Or how can it be? Thank you for listening.